This sun bear is house hunting. She needs a new place to sleep every night. But when you live in a rainforest, packed with creepy crawlies, finding a cozy spot to bed down is tricky. And if things weren't uncomfortable enough, in this forest, it never rains, it pours. Worse still, the rain awakens the nightmare neighbors. Tiger leeches. Hundreds of them. Each able to eat 6 times its body weight in blood. But there's one place the leeches won't go, and that's up. Sun bears' claws can grow twice as large as a grizzly's, so they can shimmy up a tree in no time. But trees are not designed for sleepy bears. Not comfy. Still awake. Oh, enough is enough. This clever bear knows exactly what to do. She chooses the perfect location. Somewhere sheltered, with a handy fork in its branches to build on. And she does something rarely seen in the animal kingdom. She begins to weave. Carefully tensioning each branch, she's building a bear-sized bed. She tops it with fresh leaves. Like many dwellings in nature, hers is temporary, but it provides comfort and safety, just like all the best places to live.